Good evening, everyone. It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to today's webinar on data collection, the quantitative way hosted by ITCOR. This session promises to be an insightful exploration of quantitative methods for data collection. And we are honored to have such a distinguished group of attendees and speakers with us today. Before we dive into our discussions, I would like to take this opportunity to recognize and express our deepest gratitude to those who have contributed greatly to its course success and continued growth. Dr. Richard Sanchez, the visionary founder, president, and CEO of ITCOR, whose leadership and commitment to excellence continue to inspire us all. Dr. Adrian Lawrence P. Carvajal, National Consultant and Editor-in-Chief, whose invaluable expertise has greatly shaped ITCOR's research initiatives. Engineer Luisito Lolong Lacatan, National Consultant for Research Training and Events, whose dedication has been vital in organizing and advancing our research efforts. Mr. Richard N. Briones, Editor-in-Chief of the Exigency, ITCOR Multidisciplinary Monthly Magazine, which serves as a beacon of knowledge and intellectual exchange. Dr. Rosalinda B. Sanchez, the event chairman of the ITCOR Awards, whose leadership ensures the recognition of excellence within our organization. We would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to all our national consultants, chairpersons, regional coordinators, and ITCOR's research consultants for your tireless contributions and continued support in advancing our missions and promoting research excellence. Your presence today speaks volumes about your dedications to enhancing your knowledge in the field of quantitative research and your commitment to ITCOR's vision. We are thrilled to have you here and look forward to an engaging and productive session. Thank you, and once again, welcome.